It is beyond frustrating when your internet connection works 1 minute, then stops the next. Internet connections sometimes can be intermittent or just completely broken. Sometimes it's because of a malware infection, a virus, or even just a simple Windows configuration problem. If you've already tried disconnecting from your wireless connection and reconnecting, restarting your computer and your internet router, and you continue to have these problems, I got you covered. It's a super easy fix with no skill involved. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the Windows socket. We're going to do this using the netshell command. Don't worry, it's complicated, but I'm going to make it super easy. You don't have to be connected to the internet to run this utility, and it only takes a couple of seconds, so here we go. So in Windows, you're going to want to click on your search bar and type CMD. To the right, click Run as Administrator. When the black DOS box pops up, type netsh space winsock space reset, and then hit enter. You'll receive a notification that the Windows catalog has been reset and that you need to restart your computer. Go ahead and restart your computer. Now when your computer boots back up, you might have to reconnect to your wireless network, but it's unlikely. So just start surfing away and see if the problem is gone. If you can continue to surf the web without any interruptions or downtimes, you're probably fixed. Now, if this video helped you, make sure you hit that like button to tell the YouTube algorithm that you got value from it. Feel free to leave a comment down below and let me know. For more Windows tips and tricks, click the playlist on the left of your screen. We'll let YouTube decide what they think you want to watch in the video on the right.